Okay, so let's take a look at the fourth version, the last one for the gumball machine, junit. Okay, let's bring this up. Alright, so we got more things going on here. So notice that we have this gumball interface here again. So this is the same one we saw in version 3. We have 4 methods, a couple of them throw exceptions, and we have the methods to check for a gumball in the slot and removing the gumball from the slot. You have a couple of stubs. One looks like it's testing the exception behavior, and the second one, very basic, just doesn't really have much code, but implements the has gumball and take gumball behavior. We have a fourth one that's implemented using pattern, using the state pattern based on these 2 states. All right, as you recall, the state diagram. Let me fix that again here. That should be gumball. Close that. Let's put that aside here a little bit. Now look at our source code for the pattern. All right. So with the state pattern, we model the states as objects. So we have a no quarter state and a has quarter state. Each of both these states implement the state interface of the pattern, which expresses all the events that the state machine could receive. So inserting a quarter and turn crank in this case. And the way that these implement the pattern is when that event occurs and then you're in the current state, then the transition will be based on the design inside the state machine. So for example, if I'm currently in the no quarter state, and there was a crank, so it says that I should stay within the same state and show an error. So in this one, we just basically throw an exception. Likewise, if you are in the no quarter state and someone inserts a quarter, then the next state should be the has quarter state. So we do that by asking the gumball machine to change the state to the has quarter state. So we can see that done here. Okay. So our unit tests now, we have all those test cases from before, and now we have a final version, the one that's ready to be given to the users and go into production. So we want to make sure that it passes our test, of course, and this inside this unit test we can actually test any of the versions of simply by instantiating whichever class that we want to test. So I'm going to change this to the gumball machine pattern version that we want to test, and everything passed. Okay, so that ends our last